Alright, welcome. Today I'm going to be unboxing and installing the Nest Learning Thermostat in white. I bought this because I want to install the Nest temperature sensors. If you're looking at how to install these, I'll leave a link up here for you. But I need to do this unboxing first because I need to have this running in order for me to install these. So, let's do it. Alright, so I bought this thermostat at Best Buy. It was on sale for my Best Buy members and I got it for $50 off, so it's just under $200. Set this to the side. And we have the signature Nest box with the Nest logo at the bottom. Of course, again, looks like we're going to have to pull up this blue tab. Right away you see the Nest Learning Thermostat. It's got a nice protective cover over it. Taking that off, you see a nice glossy finish, and take this off. Sorry, kind of coming off. Alright. Underneath that we have some documentation again in this nice manila envelope. Nest, welcome home. Nest Pro, professional installation. Better Together, it displays some other Nest products there. Underneath that, kind of have a wire panel here. And finally, Nest gives you some screws here, as well as a nice Nest screwdriver. I'll put that to the side. Underneath that you got the plastic plate, and underneath that you have a nice metal mounting bracket. And underneath that is an egg carton shell with some screws and things like that for you to install it. Alright, so moving on to the install portion. Alright, the first thing you want to do before your install is uninstall your old one. Now, I already happen to have a Nest, but during this process, when you take off your thermostat, you want to check your wiring. If you go on the Nest website, you can actually see whether or not your system will be compatible with the Nest thermostats based on the wires that your home has. So if your wires aren't already labeled, you want to go ahead and do that before you remove them. And mine happen to already be colored and labeled. So the first thing I'm going to do is shut off the breaker and take off this panel. Alright, so here are the stickers that Nest provide, and I'm just going to use them again just in case anybody's ever confused in the future. Y for yellow, G for green, RC for red, and W1 for white. Alright, if you're going to use it, the first step is to mount this to the mounting plate. Next, you want to run your wires through this hole, and then you can screw it to your wall. Alright, as I said, there's a level on it, so I'm just going to mark this, and then I'll get the screws, screw it in. Alright, now that I've got it screwed in, I'm going to plug in my wires. If you haven't already, scan your new Nest thermostat into your app, and now you can plug your new thermostat into place.